welcome back to my studio and welcome to our special celebration. Happy birthday, Donna. We are here to celebrate Donna's 70th birthday. So let's get down to the table and see what I'm going to do to celebrate Donna. Okay, I decided I'm going to make Donna one of my custom tumblers. Now to save some time, I have already sanded this, cleaned it, spray painted it, and we are going to start with the Mod Podge. So Mod Podge, and I've got some custom fall mixes of glitter, a little gold glitter, and we're going to have a little fun here. Alright, I'm going to let this sit and dry a bit, and then we'll be back. Okay, the next step, guys, remember you got to seal your glitter with your Krylon or some other type of clear spray. It's got to be crystal clear or some other type of clear. So we're going to coat this and then we'll be back. Okay, now that the spray paint is dry, we're going to put that first coat of resin on. Now for this, we're going to use about 25 to 30 milliliters of resin. That's more than you would use on a smooth tumbler, because that glitter soaks up your resin. So we need a nice thick coat so we have a smooth tumbler for our next step. Now we're using the Cricut to cut out our vinyl to decorate the tumbler. Okay, now here's a trick for you. I have two vinyls. I have my wording and I have my offset that goes under my wording. To put it on the tumbler, it's easier if these two are attached together first. Okay, so what we want to do is we want to start by putting our transfer paper on our top layer and attaching that down. Now you need parchment paper. This is the trick. And you're going to cover your image, but you want to leave a little edge here for the transfer to stick to. And then what we want to do is we want to put this on the transfer, on the parchment paper, with this edge sticking out, like that. I don't know if you can see that because it's clear. And then we're going to place this so that the words are right where we want them, over top perfectly. And you see I've got my fingers so that it can't glue down over here. And once we get it lined up exactly where we want it, we're going to press that. Well, I got the parchment paper over that way just a little too much. Hold on. We're going to scooch the parchment paper a wee bit. Okay. You need the parchment paper to give you an edge on the backing for the offset. and we're going to attach that down to that backing. And everybody's where it should be. And we're going to roll this up and pull out the parchment paper and then roll this back down. And now we've got the top attached to the bottom and everybody attached to the transfer tape. Now, I have sanded this tumbler. Make sure you can see that really well. I did sand the tumbler, so it's a little dull, but that's because you want to make sure your tumbler is really smooth. You don't want any bumps or lumps or funky spots, because they'll put a bump or a lump in your vinyl and it will show. So I'm going to put this one right here. Now always, like I said, sort of press it, start at the very center of your vinyl and press out. Okay, I've decided we're going to perk this up just a wee bit more, so I'm going to add some butterflies. Why? Because I got these cool butterfly stickers, and I really like them. And now we're going to finish this up with a final coat of resin. Again, we're going to use about 20 to 25 milliliters to give it a nice smooth coat. Okay, we have the final results on my custom tumbler for Donna. I'm really happy with the way it came out. I'm so glad I added those butterflies at the end there. They just sort of added a whole lot of touch. I'm really liking this custom glitter that I put together for this. It just has so much sparkle. And I hope she likes it. Now this is part of our Happy Birthday Donna collab. So before me you should have seen August from August Acrylic Art, and after me is Christy with Creations by Christy. So please follow along. There should be a playlist down in my description box for you to jump down to. And have a wonderful, wonderful time, and happy, happy birthday to our Donna.